Alright, it's fixing to rain, so I gotta kind of make this quick, but anyway, this price, and as you can see behind me, I got to put a new, hell, I can't remember what it's called. It's the windshield wiper assembly, motor, arms, all that. I gotta swap that out on my Jeep. Anyway, that's what I gotta do today, and just thought I would walk you guys through it in case you have to do that too. Now this is on a 2011 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited, and that's what we're gonna do. Sorry for the wind. We got some storms fixing to move in up here in north central Arkansas, so you know, ain't nothing I can do about it. Alright, so there's my old one. You can kind of see some of the colors that my Jeep has went through. And here's the new one. Should be a fairly simple swap out. Got a bolt here, bolt over there on the other end. They go here and here, and then I'll show you on the new one. Right here you've got this little stud that, if you can look right there at the end of my finger, see that little plate? There's a hole right there, and it just pops down in there, and then you got your plug right here for the motor. And if you're looking for the information on yours, it'll be right here on this tag. Alright, so what we're looking at is a 10 millimeter or 3/8. This is the passenger side. Right here, to unplug this plug, you want to make sure that you push that little tab right there, and there you go, you're unplugged. And then it should just be a matter of pulling it up out of there. Pop that back down in there. And we'll get our holes lined back up. There we go. You see it came out at the bottom? It's locked in there now. Those things are a pain in the ass. I'm gonna have to go and get, maybe able to get one or two of them in. When you go to take this panel off right here, before you take it off, you're gonna have to pop these out, because this screen up under here, this debris screen, has two of these little panel plugs in them also. I don't know what the hell they're called. I call them plugs, but anyway, it's got two of them in there also, as you seen me put in a while ago. So don't go pulling and ripping and all that, or you're gonna break that and you're gonna have to buy some stuff. Don't over tighten these either. No need to. There you go. All right, I gotta do some adjusting. This one needs to come down some, and that one needs to come down some also, but it is fixing to pour, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff put back together right quick and get ready to get in the house. It's fixed, it's done, so there you go. Pretty simple thing you can do yourself. You just got to order the parts and have a little bit of a couple of tools and some common sense, which I don't have very much of, but y'all be cool. It's price and I'm out. This stem right here. This arm locks onto that. But I looked at all the hardware stores here, or auto parts stores here where I live, and I looked online, and I went to the dealership also, and there is no bushing kit. I looked on eBay, everywhere I could think of, and I could not find a bushing kit. So, like I said, just because that one bushing right here is broke up under here where my finger's at, it's busted in there, I had to replace the whole damn thing. Yeah, I guess I could have went to a junkyard and maybe got one, but our junkyards around here, salvage yards, in my opinion, they're rip-offs. They overcharge, and it, it's just the way it is. Now that's my opinion. Maybe I'm just an asshole and they don't want to deal with me. I don't really give a shit. But that's just my opinion. Like I said, I don't deal with the scrap yards around here, or junk yards. So anyway, I guess if nothing else, I've got a spare motor that if something goes horribly wrong, I can always use it. So I'll keep this. I'll probably end up taking this motor off of this bracket right here. Well, I don't know. Yeah, I'll have to drill that out. But that ain't no big deal. And then if I end up, well, maybe not. No, I won't. Anyway, I'm gonna take this motor off and hang on to it, and I'll probably just go ahead and scrap the rest of it. So there you go. That is how to do it, or how I do it anyway. Finally started raining. I just got the windshield wipers fixed. And they both work.